So today's Hacking Health event was just so wonderful because it just brought into the room all stakeholders, and I think that that's really important. Mostly though, we were hearing from people living with diabetes who are using this system, and my goodness, people need to be listening to us. So I love the fact that we had a platform to actually share our stories, talk about why this is important, but it's bringing everybody together for these conversations, and we need to keep doing that.
This was my first Hacking Health meetup, and it was really fantastic. It was specifically around DIY closed looping systems, which is my passion, but it was really great to see people from all over Europe come together and talk about so many different perspectives about a key topic specifically to diabetes, and I'm just thrilled to be a part of it.
But what I say is that I've lived with diabetes for 21 years, and since I've been looping, I am the least burdened by diabetes than I ever have been.
Improvement in my quality of life after using Android APS has been phenomenal. It's hard to describe what it's like to battle with a condition for 15 years and something coming along and suddenly making that battle a lot easier, particularly around quality of life, such as sleep. It's been extraordinary.
My quality of life improved so much using a DIY closed loop system. That's actually why I built it. I first wanted a louder CGM alarm. That's what got me into open source, was pulling data from my CGM, getting into the cloud and making a louder alarm. Then building an algorithm to give me predictive decisions about what to do. That alone was a huge quality of life, but then actually automating the insulin delivery so I could sleep and not have to wake up to those alarms, but having them as a safety for a backup, it was just instrumental in giving me sleep and peace of mind, which was why I did it. There's so many reasons why people choose to loop with a DIY closed loop or another kind of closed loop. And the possibilities are really endless, and it really depends on the individual. For me, it was about getting a safe night of sleep. Other people have been trying their hardest and not achieving the outcomes they want in terms of their blood sugar or their A1C. Other people are achieving their goal outcomes, but they're spending so much time and effort, and their entire family is putting blood, sweat, and tears to achieve that outcomes. So with the technology, it really automates a lot of the work and provides the peace of mind and provides all these ripple effect benefits that are so different to everyone.
Very, very long in history. Those principles tell us to respect the patient's autonomy, and we should support their best interest.